the world show and introduce our host for today, Mr. Andrew.
So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Did you see our group of pigeons? Did you know that pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now, ladies and gentlemen, just relax and enjoy as our flying bird friends are going to show us amazing tricks, awesome stats, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, are you ready to be amazed with our flying bird friends? Alright, now to start with, let me call my partner on stage, Mr. Ayan, to welcome our blue and gold macaw named Amigo. Now, Amigo originated from South America and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. And by the way, Amigo is a very responsible bird and he loves his environment clean. So first, he pick up the plastic cup. And what's the next thing you will do, buddy? You need to open the beam. Open the beam and drop it inside. Nice. And for the second one, he pick up the Coca-Cola can, walk all the way, and what's the next thing you will do? Drop it inside. Good. Good luck, buddy. And you pick up the paper, walk all the way, and drop it inside. Now see if the birds can do 1 and 3, right? So always put your trash in a trash bin, because as we all know, cleanliness is next to cleanliness. Now everyone, I think together with this flying with your friends, has something to tell us. So welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, now here comes our flying macaws. So here's our two blue and gold macaw named Carl and Carl. On the way, there's one. Flyers please, please. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaw named Harry, Harry, Tony, Carl, and Carl. And our green named Ringo. So macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they're in, it becomes quite another them. So if they're surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. So their diet will include from seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And they also have a powerful beak that can crack hard shell nuts. So we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world. And they are the largest, or macaws are the largest. And I guess it's time for them to go back up to get more food. Now round of applause to our flying macaws. So now our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and a handsome bird. But I need your help to call our next bird. So can you say Jumbo? Jumbo! One more, can you say Jumbo? Jumbo! Alright, 1, 3. And here's our another green macaw named Jumbo. Can you read that, buddy? Everyone. Good. One more. Nice. So macaws have a very long tail and feathers, and it can grow up to 3 feet from tip to tail, and the tail can reach up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful tail. Remember? One more. Good. So we can see most of their colors outside in their body, and let's color underneath their wings. Now I'm going to show his wings. Do the wings, really. Nice. One more. Do the wings. Good. So macaws' feet are zygodactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. And they also use their beak to hold up plates and climb. So Mr. Ryan is a groundnut, and he will place it inside the plastic basket, and that's the reward for Jumbo. Now let's see how Jumbo will get his reward. And he will lift up the plastic basket and get his reward. So we are using the reward system to reward the intelligence of our birds. And I said earlier that Jumbo is a very special and intelligent bird. Wanna know why? Why? It's because Jumbo loves to go to school. To the bird school. So we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo, and first we will be having a spelling test. So we have here 5 animal pictures. The horse, the camel, the tiger, the zebra, and the snake. And I want you to choose 1 animal picture. So what will you choose? What will you choose? 1 animal picture. Zebra. Alright, let's have zebra with Mr. James. So while Mr. Chris is preparing the Jumbo letters, let's make a short interview with Mr. Ayan. So Mr. Ayan, how are you today? Fine. Alright, you're fine. So Mr. Ayan, where did Jumbo originally came from? But he was here in the Philippines, right? Yes. Alright. I get Jumbo letters already. So what is the spelling of the zebra? Look at the picture. For the first letter, he pick up the letter Z. Great. For the second one, he pick up the letter A. One more buddy. For the third one, he pick up the letter B. And for the fourth one buddy, no mistake. And he pick up the letter R. For the last one, no mistake. And he pick up the letter A. So that is the spelling of the zebra. And I guess it's too easy for Jumbo. Now let's try to make it difficult. Let's do the mathematical test. So for the second test is an addition. And I want you to choose two numbers between 1 to 10. So decide that. Register. 4. Higher than 4? Decide. 4 plus? 8. Alright, it's 4 plus 8. Jumbo, what is the answer of 4 plus 8? The secret. So Mr. Ryan, what is Jumbo's favorite food?
Michael seeds, fruits, and
So Jumbo loves to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And for the last question, what is Jumbo's favorite subject?
English.
So Jumbo favorite subject is English and math. Now let's see how Jumbo are good at math. Look at the numbers, buddy. What is the answer of 4 plus 8? For the first number, he pick up the number 1. Great. And for the last one, go buddy. Be careful. No mistake. And he pick up the number 2. So the answer of 4 plus 8 is equals to 12. Is it correct? Alright, now round of applause for our Griffin Macaulay, Jumbo. So at this time, I need 2 volunteers, a kid and an adult volunteer. So we have here our staff who will choose and give the instructions. Alright, an adult volunteer na lang.
Ikaw, Julie. Ito ba? Alam mo na ka.
Adult
Ikaw,
volunteer.
namanggod ka sa buhayan ko. Isa pa.
Are you ready? Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our cute and lovely son here named Bunny. Are you ready? Great. So as you can see, Bunny is a very small bird, but he is also a good kid. So after we finish his food, he'll go back inside and call his friends. So look at the camera natin, kung ano ba na siguro. Alright, thank you, family. Alright, thank you natin yung anak take your seat. Are you ready, ma'am? At the back, are you ready? And just relax and don't take your moments, alright? Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our other group of senior Buddy's friends. So seniors have a golden flowers with their head down to its underparts. And they also love to eat birds to seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Look at the camera, ma'am. You can have a nice photograph. Alright, thank you, ma'am. You can now take your seat. And for the third volunteer, I need an adult volunteer again.
Oh, Julie. Jules, ito.
First number two. Please na over sa hat, sir, and face the audience. And ganito lang ang hat sa ibang one hand. And just relax and don't waste your minutes. Are you ready, sir? Balin ako pa sa mga eye sir. Ganito lang, sir. Alright, are you ready, sir? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our couple bird named Ding and Dong. So, some Kenyans are monogamous type of bird. That means they only have one partner for a lifetime. So, if their partner dies, that's the time they will find another mating partner. Alright, thank you, sir. You can now take your seat. And for the last volunteer, I need another volunteer again with a money. Oh, my. Very nice.
Brad. Kani.
Tapos na
Oh, ayaw.
Bring lang ang money, ma'am.
Ito, 1,000.
Kuya, Tabi? Ito na lang siya, ma'am. Our staff will choose